Hello everyone, today's video is about IELTS General Writing Task 1 and I will give you some easy tips that can help you to boost a better score. Let's begin. First, understand what Task 1 is about. In IELTS General Task 1, you are asked to write a letter. It can be a formal, informal or a semi-formal. Here, you are asked to write a letter to a company, a manager, a friend or a neighbor. And it is your responsibility to figure out to whom you are writing the letter. So always read carefully and find out who you are writing to. Second, use the correct letter format. Your letter should have greeting, an opening paragraph, body paragraphs and a closing line. Here, you don't need to write the address of the reader. You can simply start your letter. If it is a formal one, you can start the letter with Dear Sir or Madam. If it is an informal one, you can use it with Dear John or any other name. Third tip, cover all the bullet points. The question usually gives 3 bullet points and you must address all 3, otherwise you will lose the marks. Try to write 1 paragraph for each bullet point to keep your letter clear and organized. Keep your language simple and clear. Here, you don't need very advanced language, but you need to use a natural and a correct English. And for the informal letters, you can use a friendly language, whereas for the formal letter, you can be very polite and you can use a professional expressions such as I would like to inform or I would appreciate if it is. Watch your word count. You need to write at least 150 words. Don't write too short or too long. It is better always keep your words in between 160 to 180. That would be perfect. Avoid common mistakes. You need to check the spelling and the grammar and leave 2-3 minutes at the end so that you can quickly review the letter. Actually, these small mistakes can reduce your bank score. The final tip, practice regularly. You need to practice different types of letter every week. The more you practice, the more confident you feel on the exam day. That's all for today. If you follow the simple tips, then you can definitely improve your IELTS General Writing Task 1 score. Thank you for watching and all the best for your IELTS exam.
വിദേശ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസമാണോ നിങ്ങളുടെ ലക്ഷ്യം? IELTS ഈസിയായി ക്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യാം നീതൂസ് അക്കാഡമിയിലൂടെ.